Have you ever wondered what happens when a star dies? Stars. They live for millions to billions of years, burning bright, holding galaxies together with their gravity. But even stars have lifespans. When their fuel, hydrogen, runs out, the end begins. Small and medium-sized stars like our sun swell into red giants. Their outer layers puff out and then they let go. What's left behind? A tiny, hot core. A white dwarf, glowing softly for billions of years before fading into darkness. But for massive stars, the end is explosive. They go out with a bang, a supernova, one of the most powerful events in the universe. After the blast, two possibilities remain. If the star's core is dense but not too massive, it becomes a neutron star, unimaginably dense and spinning fast. But if the core is truly gigantic, gravity wins. It collapses into a black hole, a place where not even light can escape. And so, the star dies. But its death gives birth to new stars, planets, and life. In the universe, every end is a new beginning. Curious about more cosmic wonders? Subscribe for more stories from the stars.